Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Gardenscapes game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Play Store on your device. And once it is opened up, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in Gardenscapes and start your search. Once you find the Gardenscapes game, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Gardenscapes game on your Android device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you can tap on the play button, go ahead and tap on it and this will open up the Gardenscapes game on your device. And once the game is opened up, you will be able to log into your account or sign up if you haven't done so already in order to start enjoying the game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Gardenscapes game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.